Hello, dear students. Let us start a new chapter, that is excretory system. So, first, let us understand what is excretion or excretory system. Excretory system that helps in eliminating all sorts of waste material from our body. We consume different types of things from our environment in the form of gas, in the form of solid, in the form of liquid. Those substances, after getting absorbed inside our body, gets eliminated from our body by the help of certain excretory organs. Let us now see what are those excretory organs. First are lungs. We have one pair of lungs inside our body. Lungs helps in eliminating carbon dioxide from our body. Then kidneys. We have one pair of kidneys in our body, and kidneys helps in eliminating urine from our body. And the last one is skin. Skin helps in excreting sweat from our body, and sweat contains excess of water along with some amount of salts which are not required for our body. Sweating during the summer season also helps us to balance the temperature of our body. So these are the three organs which are involved in excretion and their products. Now let us study human excretory system. So this is a model of human excretory system where we can see a pair of kidneys. Then from kidney a duct runs towards downward, and that is known as ureter. Then at the base is present a sac like structure or a bladder which is known as urinary bladder, and at the end you can see a tube like structure is present, and that is named as urethra. So kidneys, they form urine. Along with that, if you can see, there are two vessels present here. One is bluish in color and the next one is reddish in color. These two vessels are veins and artery. That is inferior vena cava, which is entering to the kidney, and the other one is aorta, or you can say artery, renal artery, that is entering each kidney. So inferior vena cava, that is taking all the deoxygenated blood from here, from the kidney to the heart, and the pure blood is brought to the kidneys. So here we can see two systems, that is excretory system is also present along with the circulatory system. Now these two kidneys, they first of all they remove the waste material from the blood, as well as they form urine in them. After the formation of urine, the urine is transferred through this ureter to the urinary bladder, and then through the urethra the urine is thrown out from our body. So this is the mechanism how the excretion takes place inside our body. Now let us see the longitudinal section of kidney. The kidney is bean shaped in structure, having the convex part and the concave part. Through the concave part enters two types of vessels, blood vessels. One is your renal artery, and one vessel leaves the kidney, that is known as your renal vein. The kidney has two parts. The middle one is known as medulla, and the outer region is known as cortex. Medulla and cortex. Then, just when the urine is being formed in the kidney by the kidneys, the urine by the help of ureter is brought to the urinary bladder. In this case, we can see one structure present here, and that is named as nephron. Nephron are the functional and structural unit of kidneys. Formation of urine takes place through these nephron. The nephron that helps in purifying the blood, means removing the waste from the blood, as well as it helps in the formation of urine. So these are the two functions which are performed by nephron. So this is the longitudinal section of kidney, and in the next video we'll be talking about the structure of nephron as well as some types of disorders related to excretion.